What's going on to all my fellow Pelrose fanatics out there? This is your boy Skimp. What I have here today, I'm doing a stash update. Went up to Mike Killian's. Racked up a little bit. Got me some smoke and mirrors. Got this other one's called The Pirates by Sky Song. Went and got me some Excalibur shells. Some grand jewelry. Plus, this from another store though. Got the Bomb Cyclone shells by Phantoms. Got me some cherry bomb ball shells. But back at Mike Killian's, got me some hit the road. Got a hit the road jack. A juggernaut right here. Got me another wind up and a Olay by Brothers. Bold colors. Saturday night special. Called the shots. I ended up getting 4 of these killer alligators. Shout out to TN. Gave me 4 of those cakes. And come over here. You go 2 more of them. Put them over here for a second. Got 2 boxes of these Echo in the Ear. Got 4 packs of these Mike Killian's canister shells. It come with 6 of them in the pack. Got 4 packs of those. And got me a case of these 2-minute extravaganzas. I seen the demo and those they pretty nice. And got me a case of the big box of bombs. And got the Mob Madness. Got a case of those. And let's see, move this out the way. Also 2 by Phantoms, you know what I'm saying, the fat one. And what's this one? By Phantoms too. Pyro Cubulus Cloud Buster. Pick one of those up. And that's pretty much about it for my stash update. Skimp B, and I'm out.